it's a rain season. Here is a radar and the wind is blowing from northwest, which is normal here this season. From southwest, sorry. It's blowing like that already. Now it's with rain. It's blowing like that already about, it will be third day today, starting over 48 hours. And it's blowing to the land, there is land. And after, maybe I expect 1-2 days more, the big storm will come from the land. Cold pressure is start to come from the land, from northeast to southwest, and the wind which was blowing from southeast now was pushing cold pressure, and now he pushed such amounts of mass of cold pressure to the land that now land will start to push back the hot pressure to the sea, and the rains are coming. So now this wind was pushing cold, and now the masses of air here coming here over the land like that to the sea. Today is a new moon. It's a new moon because it's the start of the moon month. The interval of time which is coordinating my life here in these operations we are doing on the ship. Without the rain already. I think we can say that, or it is really the almost end of the rain season and still something will come, but as I can smell the wind and know this area already a few years here, where I can feel the humidity and how the clouds are looking, I would say that we can officially say that the rain season is finished here in West Africa.